In this video, we are going to see how we can set up a recurring invoice in Zoho Books, and that is a very powerful function in this software, especially if you have some kind of customers for which you are providing any kind of specific services which have the same charge every single month, or maybe even for a specific inventory. Let's say that you are providing a specific number of inventory every week, every month, or every 6 months. So you can configure an automated recurring invoice which you don't need to create. You just set up for once and it will be repeated and created every single month or every single week automatically. So it's very simple to set up. All you have to do is just click on the top right corner to click on the quick create, and here under the sales we have the recurring invoice option. Just click here, and if the customer is already set up, you can choose any one of them, or otherwise you can create the new customer. It's pretty simple. You just need to enter some basic information along with the currency details and how the payments are due. And afterwards, you're good to go. Let's try it on Albert. Profile name, you can specify any profile name here. I'll just mention here Albert Recurring Services. And I want to repeat this every single month. So we have the option of week, 2 weeks, 2 months, and so on. But let's just suppose that we are charging them every single month on the 1st of every month. So this ends on 31st of December. Or even if you don't want to expire it, you can do that as well. And also we can mention any subject if you want to mention or let your customer know what is this recurring invoice for. So you can mention it here. And let's say that we are providing them any kind of social media service. So add a new item. Let's say we are providing them a social media management. And we have some compulsory fields. So let's say the sale price is $1,000. And our cost is like 200. It goes under sales account, cost of goods sold, all selected, social media management. I'll just select it here and here as well. Click on save. And for the social media management, we are charging $1,000 every single month. If you want to offer some discount, we can specify it here. Some shipping charges not applicable here. And maybe some customer notes or terms and conditions that you want to mention about your service. And if you want to get paid faster, there is an automated option in Zoho, which is very interesting. You can set up a payment gateway so that they can just click on the invoice and directly pay for it. These are all the supported platforms. And email communications, if you want your customer to communicate with you on a specific email or Skype, you can add all of these details here. And after that, just click on save. So that's how you set it up, and it will immediately move it to the recurring invoices. We have the $1,000 invoice every month that is issued to this particular customer. So the next invoice will be due in 1st of July. This invoice is automatically created for 1st of June. It's active and it's showing in all of the records. So every single month, whenever the date comes, you will see the next invoice created right here. Even in the overview, we have the current invoice, and under the next invoice section, we have the next invoice automatically already be prepared, but it will be generated on 1st of July. So that's how we can create the recurring invoices in Zoho Books. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.